Good morning friends, I am Rajen Prasad and at present you are viewing my channel Photo Creation. In this episode of video tutorial, you are going to learn about the Slice tool. The Slice tool is one of those Photoshop tools that most users don't use. If you take the time to familiarize yourself with it, you will find that it is remarkably useful. It is as easy to use as the crop tool, but it is far more versatile. It is a favorite tool among graphic designers and app developers who need to divide high-resolution photos into segments. If you have worked with Photoshop, you will be familiar with cropping. You create a marquee over a section of image, and when you crop, everything outside that selection disappears like magic. That is how the Slice tool works, except for the disappearing part. With the Slice tool, you select a square or a rectangular area that you want to preserve, but rather than deleting everything else, you can export the selected area to its own fresh Photoshop document. You can also create multiple slices and save each one as separate document. The Slice tool might seem like a superfluous feature. After all, if you only want to preserve a section of the image, why not just crop it? Well, let us say you are designing a website and you need to create a custom background that is suitable for both the desktop and mobile versions of the site. You need the full image for the desktop background, but you also need to extract a smaller, modified portion that will look presentable on the smartphone screen. That is one area where slices come handy. You can extract a slice of your original background image without losing the original. To open the Slice tool, click and hold the crop tool icon, and in the flyout menu, you will find two tools, Slice and Slice Select. To open the Slice tool, click on the Slice tool icon. You can see that your mouse cursor has taken the shape of Slice tool when the tool is selected. For showing you how to use the Slice tool, I have already opened an image. To slice this image, click on any corner of the image and drag as I am doing. You can see an outline which is showing the area the Slice tool will slice. When you are done, just release the Slice tool. You can now see that the Photoshop has outlined the area to be sliced and also named it 01, as you are seeing here. Now in the similar way, make slices of your image as needed. See me slicing the document. I have sliced the image in 4 parts, but you can slice your image in any number. You can also see here that Photoshop has automatically named the slices as 01, 02, 03 and 04. You can use the Slice Select tool in the toolbar for moving or resizing slices by dragging inside a slice or by dragging the handles. See here, I have taken the Slice Select tool and see how I am resizing an existing rectangle. To export the separate slices, choose File, Export, Save for Web from the Photoshop menu. See a new dialog box opens. Here in preview, you can see how Photoshop is going to slice the image. Here you can select the file format in which the slices will be saved. You can save in GIF, JPEG, PNG or WBMP. I have chosen JPEG. You can also choose the quality of your JPEG file. Leave other options as default and then click Save. Photoshop is now asking where to save the image. I am choosing desktop. Now click on Save icon and your slices will be saved. Now let us see the sliced files. I am opening the folder and you can see here that Photoshop has already sliced according to our direction in 4 files. Now open any image and try to slice and save. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Kindly subscribe and like our video channel for more interesting video tutorials. If you want to get notification about our upcoming tutorials, kindly press the bell icon. See you again in the next tutorial. Goodbye and have a nice day.